I bought this tablet to do one thing and it can't even do that. This is the Lenovo Tab M9. It's a budget Android tablet on today's 2-minute review. The price is typically around $100, but often it's available for $60 when there's a sale. Learn more about pricing and availability with a link in the description below. Let's talk about the specs while we unbox the Lenovo Tab M9. There's a positive surprise right off the bat. According to the package, this comes with a clear case, which I was not aware of when I ordered it. That's nice. The Lenovo Tab M9 has a MediaTek Helios G80 octa-core processor. There are different memory options. My tablet has 32 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. You can expand the storage with an optional SD card. The screen size is 9 inches. The box is wrapped in clear plastic film that seems completely unnecessary. Inside the box there are 2 envelopes. The first one has the clear case inside, once again with far too much plastic. The second inner box has the tablet itself. There is a memory card opening pin as well as some documentation. The last compartment houses a power brick and a USB charging cable. It's really nice that they're including that in such a budget tablet package. The tablet itself looks unremarkable, but I do like the design on the back. There are cameras on the back and on the front, but they are both pretty terrible. On the top left, there is the SD card tray. On the bottom edge of the tablet, we have the headset jack as well as the USB port, which you can use for charging and data transfer. On the right edge of the tablet, there is the power button and the volume rocker. A very minor detail is that I like the structure of the power button. It has a little bit of a character on the surface. In the second envelope, we have the clear case. There's also a screen protector, but I haven't used that yet. Once again, there's far too much plastic in this packaging. The clear case, I keep that on the tablet all the time. It's certainly not the most beautiful, but it works. It gives you 2 different angles depending on which side you tilt the tablet. When you have the tablet in landscape mode, the speakers are on the left and right side of the tablet. Let's share some first impressions. As soon as I started the tablet, it ran a couple of system updates, which is nice, of course. But it also added a bunch of bloatware that was not on it originally. According to the Lenovo homepage, there's only about 7 apps that come pre-installed, but it actually installed a lot more apps, in particular games. I think there were 5 or 10 that it installed. I spent some time removing them, and I don't like that. The reason why I got this tablet was mostly to watch videos, specifically YouTube. Unfortunately, the Lenovo Tab M9 doesn't do that particularly well. The YouTube app always defaults to a low quality setting, most typically 480p. If I manually adjust it in the YouTube app to higher quality, typically the video starts lagging. I find that very unfortunate because YouTube is kind of a core app on the Android system. They're both from Google. The problem is not my Wi-Fi. I watch YouTube videos on my phones all the time, and it's never a problem to run them at 1080p without any stuttering. By the way, the video samples you see here are from my travel channel. It's called Markus Travels. There's a link to that in the description. The audio quality is also pretty mid, but it's not terrible, and it's about what you could expect from tiny speakers like these. It's a beautiful day to fly. This is also a good reminder to me that Denver is not only One thing you can do to improve the audio quality is, of course, to use that headset jack for wired headphones, or use the Bluetooth connection for wireless headsets or for a conference speakerphone. So far, I've gathered some first impressions of this tablet, but I do want to make a full review video. Hit the subscribe button to be notified when that video goes live. If I were to summarize those first impressions into a sentence, is that I bought a budget tablet and I got a budget tablet. Learn more about the Lenovo Tab M9, including pricing and availability, with a link in the description below. A headset that works well with this tablet is the Jabra EVOLVE2 85. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my video about this headset. It features active noise cancellation and 10 different microphones. So check out that video now. Thank you very much for watching 2-Minute Reviews, and I will see you in the next video.